In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create form fields in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to start a new form, add a field, set it to the right type, and adjust its settings so the information you collect is clean and useful. Begin by opening Smartsheet and heading to the home page. From there, look for the option to start something new. Choose Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This takes you into Smartsheet's creation flow where you can decide how you want to build. To keep things simple and fully in your control, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean slate without any preloaded columns or fields to undo later. Next, you'll be asked to choose a starting point for your new workspace item. Since we want to capture information through a form, pick the Form option. Smartsheet will launch the form builder and connect it to a sheet behind the scenes, so every submission becomes a new row. You'll land on a blank canvas where you can start shaping the form to your needs. To add your first field, click the plus New Field button. In the label area, type a clear, concise name for the field, something your audience will instantly understand. I'll type name for now as a placeholder, but choose a label that matches the kind of data you want. Next, choose the field type. Open the field type menu and select date if you want this field to capture a calendar date rather than plain text. This ensures the data is validated as a date and enables date-specific features later on. Click OK to confirm your selection and add the field to the form. You can change any field at any time. Simply click the field to open its settings. Here you can refine the label, add help text to guide respondents, and decide whether the field is required. If it's a date field, you can often control formatting and guardrails, like limiting entries to future dates for deadlines or to past dates for events that have already occurred. Keep labels short but descriptive, use help text for any rules users need to follow, and only mark fields as required when they're truly essential. Small decisions here lead to fewer errors and cleaner submissions. That's it, your form now has a properly typed field ready for accurate data collection. Save your changes and you're ready to continue building.